Now solve the examples of logarithm. Log 351 upon 539 plus 2 log 91 91 by 110 minus 3 log 39 by 110. Now using the power law, is 2 3, so it will become log 351 by 539 plus log 91 by 110 raised to 2 minus log 39 by 10 raised to 3. Now using product rule and quotient rule, log 31 by 539 into 91 by 110 square upon 39 upon 110 cube. So we will get log 351 into 91 square into 110 cube by 539 into 110 square into 39 cube. 351 will become 37 27 into 13, 91 91 will become 7 into 13, 110 is 11 into 10, 539 is 11 into 49, 110 is 110 will become 11 into 10, and 39 is 3 into 13. Now 27 is 3 cube, 7 is 7 square, 13 square, 11 cube and 10 cube. 3 will be 3 cube, 13 is 13 cube, 11 square and 10 square. Now 11 cube will get cancelled, 7 this will get cancelled, and finally we will get base to the 10 to 10, so answer is 1. Now next example, 3 log 2 plus 2 log 3 plus log 5 is equal to 360. Now take LHS, 3 log 2 plus 2 log 3 plus log 5. Using power rule, this will become 2 cube, this will become 3 square. So 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9. Now using product rule of logarithm, product rule of logarithm, it will become log 8 into 5 into 8 into 9 into 5. So our final answer is log 360, that is equal to RHS. Now another example, show that log 2 plus 2 log 5 minus log 3 minus 2 log 7 is equal to log 50 by 147. Now using power rule, this will become 5 square and this will become log 7 square. 5 square will become 25, 7 is 49. Now using product and quotient rule, we will get 2 2 into 25 is 2, log 2 plus 25 is 2 into 25, and log minus log 3 minus 49 is 3 into 49. Now solving, we will get 2 into 25 is 50 and 3 into 49 is 147, that is equal to RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Now take second example, that is show that log 75 upon 16 minus 2 log 5 by 9 plus log 32 upon 243 is equal to log 2. Now again using power rule, 5 by 9 square, so 5 by 9 square will become 5 square upon 81. So log 75 by 16 minus log 25 by 81 plus 52 upon 243. The using product rule, 75 by 16 plus log 52 by 243, and using quotient rule this will become go in the denominator. Now further solving, we will get log 2. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. Now another example, log x plus 3 plus log x minus 3 is equal to log 16. So using product rule, log x plus 3 log x minus 3, this will become log x plus 3 x minus 3. So x plus 3 x minus 3 is x square minus 9. Now by equality of log, we will get x square minus 9 is equal to 16. So this 9 will go over there, it will become plus 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So x square is equal to plus minus 5.